Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Money Map. The market just closed, and in continuation of the trend of last week, it seems our friends at Wall Street Bets, the Reddit forum that's been causing stir or shake up in the global financial market in the last 1 week, they have seem to have shifted the battleground to silver. So it's the same silver that we use sometimes as ornaments, and but they are actually precious stones and precious assets that people use as a protection against inflation. So for a lot of people, whenever they see the dollar, maybe the US economy showing signs of instability or weaknesses, inflation rising, and so they move to precious metals like gold and silver. So today, our people move to silver. So it appears now we get to the debate, but for now, what has happened today? So Wall Street bets, and so if you go to the Wall Street bets forum, mostly you will see memes, funny, very funny memes. So even the Security and Exchange Commission of the US, if they are talking of investigating if this all these events can be construed to be market manipulation or so. But for most people on Wall Street bets, they just put funny memes and it's just left for you to decode what they are saying, and it's very very hard, to hold people responsible or hold them liable for whatever has transpired on the market. So these memes. So on one side we have someone, a lady, on doing her workout and saying squeeze and hold. It sounds funny, but look at GME here. So squeeze relates to what happens when someone short sells a stock. Short selling means that you borrow a stock from someone and you sell it with the hope that the price will fall and you will buy it back at a cheaper price. So your profit is the price at which you bought, and the difference between the price you bought and the price you sold. And once you buy it back, what happen? So you start. This is a reverse of the normal way we trade stock. You sell first, it doesn't belong to you. You sell and you wait for the price to go down, then you go and buy back. Your profit is the difference between the sell and the buy, and because you are buying at a cheaper price, you will return the stock back to the owner. So the people on Wall Street bets, what they did was to start to gather together and buy these stocks, and one of the major one was GME. The major was GME, which they bought, and that stock did over 1,000% returns. So I mean, so they are just using the meme to laugh about what happened. On the right side of this, on you have don't trust silver. So why silver has rallied today? There is a serious debate that maybe this was not done by people on Wall Street bet. They are actually retail investors. Whether maybe this wasn't done by them. There's a division on the forum that this may be a trap from the hedge fund. Remember, if you have been following the events since last week, these retail investors are doing this to hurt the hedge funds that they believe to be very greedy, and they are trying to destroy other people's companies that regular guys like to use their product and services. So what they are saying now that it seems that the whole silver issue was actually orchestrated by the hedge funds, because if you look at it, hedge funds have been buying silver as a hedge against inflation in the US. So people buy silver, people buy gold, even Bitcoin. One of the reasons Bitcoin has been appreciating is that people feel the dollar is not going the right direction, and Bitcoin is like gold, it's a digital gold that it offers protection against devaluation of the dollar. So in essence, Wall Street bets, they are still featuring events of today, but there is an argument as to who is actually responsible in the rally in silver. Now, if you look at what silver has done, we have some charts here about performance of silver over the years. So these are silver futures. So futures are like a contract, a financial agreement whereby you agree today the price you are going to pay for something in the future. So this first chart on the top left corner is 30-day silver. So they are saying that in 30 days time, silver, you will see the sharp increase up to this point from last week. You will see the sharp increase, and it's showing that so silver will be around 27,000 naira next in the next 1 month, as in from 30 days back. So it's, you can see that it has gone up now. 60 days silver, this is the price. So all you can see is that the price seems to have appreciated. However, historically, it seems price of silver has been going down, and that's why some people felt, oh, they can use this thing to attack the hedge funds again, that they are responsible for the downward movement of silver prices. If you recall, something happened. The biggest bank in the US, JP Morgan, they were sanctioned last year for about $920 million for manipulative trade practices. So they were involved in, doing some fastings on the involving treasuries and commodities like silver, gold. So there are some people feel that, oh, they can use this to get back at the hedge funds. But so it's a divided place. But for us, we should not be carried away with the entertainment and the memes. The first, so silver is good if you want to offer some protection to our portfolio. Silver is important. So how can we invest in silver? One good way is to buy silver ETFs, exchange traded funds. For those of us, once you have access to foreign stock trading, so stock trading platform, you can buy the ETF. So ETFs mean exchange traded funds. Exchange traded fund. So these funds, they are like companies that they trade basically in a particular item. So some ETFs could be for stocks, some could be for commodities, some could be for currency, some could be for fixed income instrument like bond. But there are ETFs that deal specifically on precious metals. So to invest in silver, which offers protection against inflation, that has not risen like gold in recent time. These ETFs, they are some of the top ETFs. So of course you can buy the physical metal and keep, just like people keep gold at home. That's another way, though you now have the risk of theft, burglary, and stuff like that. You also have to carry heavy metals about, but silver is valuable. Um, Now, so another thing that happened today, silver stocks. So these are companies that are involved. So unlike ETFs, the ETFs are companies that they deal and trade in silver. So ETFs, silver ETFs. Now we are talking of this list now. We have companies that mine silver, mine precious metals, and this is their performance today. So we've seen them rising from 10%, 16% only in single day. The note of one here is that please, 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 this is not going to be another GameStop. No way. Silver is not like that. People, they are even divided as to who is responsible for the current rally. So don't jump into these silver stocks thinking that there's going to be massive profits, because silver by its nature and nature of all precious metals, they are in limited supply, they are short supply, so there's no way. So they are not going to because silver stock is rally, let's go and mine all the silver and put it in the market. That's not going to work. So I think this we should not jump into this trend right now. Thank you very much. So like we always say, for mentoring, so we have our mentoring program on investment of all financial assets, generally fixed income, equities, cryptocurrencies, forex. Please join IMAP by clicking on this, use this link, and you can join. It's a mentoring program where we discuss events and show us how, how they shape our portfolio. We teach ourselves on various everything. So instead of just being a classroom for 3 days, we use a 1 year period to show ourselves and discuss various events and how to look at them, how to analyze them, how to make decisions, identifying the risk and the opportunities. And it's a very valuable platform. So please join. I will also encourage you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.